Hi, I'm Wayne Blanchard. I am a certified financial planner and a member of the Garrett Planning Network. And today we're going to talk about how to pay off medical debt without health insurance. You know, paying off medical debt is a very important thing. Medical debt is probably one of the biggest problems of bankruptcy or causes of bankruptcy that we have in the United States right now. But it doesn't have to be if you just take some simple precautions. The best way to start this out, if you are about to have a procedure and you don't have insurance, talk to the doctor about financial arrangements first. Make sure that you talk to the doctor, not the business manager, not his nurse, not those kind of folks. Speak directly to the doctor, tell them that you are self-pay, and see if, number one, they can give you a discount, and number two, depending on how much the discount is and what the situation is, can they arrange a payment plan? Now, if you don't find out until after the procedure, the doctor may not be quite as easily swayed as it would be before if you were honest up front about what's going on and how it's going to happen. But most of the time, doctors only get paid 1/3 to 1/2 of their normal rate. So keep that in mind. One of the best ways to check, you can go to Medicare, online, check on Medicare, find out how much they pay to doctors for a particular procedure. That will normally be the bottom line in terms of the best deal you're going to get, because Medicare has got it cut down pretty far. So find out what the Medicare will pay for the procedure, see if your doctor will accept that, and make payments on it. That's the best way to keep medical debt from being a problem. Most doctors I have ever talked to or ever even heard of are more than willing to accept payments. Same thing with hospitals, medical centers. No matter what kind of medical institution it is, they are there to help you. Now, what about the situation where you already had an operation or maybe you were in a car accident, something that wasn't anything you could set up beforehand? You had a car accident, you went in the hospital, now you have hospital bills, you have doctor bills, you have bills coming from everywhere, anesthesiologist. You'll have more bills than you know what to do with, and they're all separate bills and they all want to get paid. What do you do then? Well, it's the same kind of a thing, only you're doing it after the fact. You're going to have to go to the source of each bill. And once you find the source of each bill, then you can do the same negotiation. Again, try to find out what Medicare would pay for the procedure and set up that much of a discount and arrange some kind of a payment plan. If all of this fails and you have a really large medical bill, maybe you had a heart transplant or something that's really a lot of money, good thought would be to get a medical advocate. A medical advocate is somebody that works for you to try to do just exactly what we've talked about, and maybe even reduce it all to one payment instead of multiple payments. And that's how you can handle medical bills.